What is a wind turbine's swept area for energy? Imagine standing next to a giant spinning wheel and realizing that the size of the circle it makes is what determines how much wind it can catch. That circle is called the swept area. When a wind turbine spins, its blades move in a circular path. The bigger the circle, the more wind passes through it. This is important because the amount of wind energy a turbine can grab depends on this area. To find out how big this circle is, we use a simple math formula. The area of a circle equals pi times the radius squared. The radius is just half the length of one blade. So, if a blade is 150 meters long, the radius is 150 meters. Multiply pi, which is about 3.14, by 150 meters squared, and you get the swept area. That means the circle covers around 70,000 for 150 square meters. Larger blades mean bigger swept areas, which means more wind energy can be captured. This is why utility-scale wind turbines often have blades over 150 meters long. Their swept areas can be over 25,000 square meters. This large size allows them to generate thousands of kilowatt-hours of electricity each day. But increasing blade length and swept area also brings engineering challenges. The blades need to be strong enough to handle the force of the wind. The structure must support the weight and stress. Transporting these huge blades to the site is another hurdle. Still, bigger swept areas mean fewer turbines are needed to produce the same amount of power. This can lower overall costs for wind farms. When placing turbines in a wind farm, engineers think about the swept area to avoid turbines blocking each other's wind. They space turbines carefully to prevent wake effects, where one turbine's turbulence reduces the wind available for others. So, in simple terms, the swept area is the circle your turbine blades make as they spin. It's a key factor in how much wind energy a turbine can collect. The larger the swept area, the more energy it can potentially generate, making wind power more efficient and cost-effective.